Check out your high-dollar grinding system here.
Yeah, baby. Precision tool right here.
Who knew a mower blade sharpener would be so great for plastics?
Oh, when it comes to Hirschfeld's bike?
That's right.
This is perfect.
Good enough for government work.
That's right.
If it were my bike,
Oh, because I have so much money, I can go pay the dealership to do it for
it's
me.
because they'd take the whole thing apart anyway. Place my frame, here's all the parts. Please do it for me.
I don't blame you. I bought an undertail and all that crap for the SV when I crashed it 9 years ago.